Hey Thomas,
Hi.
how do you feel about the bird on your head?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
You don't care that the bird's laying in your hair?
Yeah.
It's just laying there?
Yeah.
Try walk a little bit. Can you walk with the bird on your head?
No, not that. And then stay right here. And
You like the bird in your hair?
yeah.
Yeah. What?
He's eating my hair, Mommy.
They don't eat your hair. He's cleaning your hair.
How?
He just takes all the fluff and stuff out.
Tessie was eating. But that's eating your hair.
He doesn't sit in my hair.
That's eating Lacey's hair.
Oh, he doesn't sit on JP's hair either.
Does he sit on my restless hair?
No, he sits in no one's hair but yours. Because everyone else is scared that he'll poop on them.
It doesn't poop on me.
How would you feel if the bird pooped on you?
Not good.
Not good. What would you say if I told you that the bird pooped on you?
Bad.
Bad.
Yeah.
What would you do?
Run away.
You would run away?
Yeah.
Why?
And a little nose is on my head.
Hey Thomas,
Hey.
the bird pooped on your head.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did.
How?
Because it just poos.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did.
No, it didn't.
See, he's making a nest in your hair.
How?
Because he's making a nest in your hair. He wants to live on your head forever. Thomas, he wants to live on your head forever.
No, I don't want him to take him off.
But he's making a nest.
Take him off. I hate birds. I hate birds, Mommy.
You just liked them a minute ago.
No, I hate them. What do you mean tie him?
No, just leave him there.
You taught. He doesn't want to stay in here.
He doesn't want to come on my finger either. He just wants to make a nest in your hair and live there forever.
No.
The bird loves you. You're his best friend.
No, I'm not.
What do you want? He's making a nest in your hair.
Come down, you silly pence. Come down, you silly pence. I hate. I love them tonight, please.
Okay, go that way. You went that way. Oh, look, you don't got to.